Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer authentication from Firebase into FlutterFlow apps, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer authentication from Firebase into FlutterFlow apps, first, ensure you have your Firebase project set up. Log into your Firebase console and navigate to the authentication section. Enable the sign-in methods you want to use, such as email/password or Google. Next, in FlutterFlow, create a new project or open an existing one. Connect your FlutterFlow app to your Firebase project by entering your Firebase credentials. Once connected, go to the Settings tab in FlutterFlow. Select the Authentication option to view available authentication settings. Choose the appropriate authentication method that matches what you enabled in Firebase. For email/password authentication, create a sign-up page in FlutterFlow. Add input fields for email and password, along with a sign-up button. Set up actions for the Sign Up button to create a new user in Firebase. Use the Create Account action from the Firebase integration options. Next, design a login page within your FlutterFlow app. Add input fields for users to enter their email and password. Include a login button and configure it to perform the sign-in action from Firebase. Populate any error messages that may occur during sign-in to enhance user experience. Incorporate a state management solution to track user authentication status. You may utilize the built-in authentication logic or external providers like Riverpod. Ensure your app navigates to the home screen upon successful login. Implement a sign-out function and link it to a button for users to log out. Test the authentication flows thoroughly to guarantee seamless user experiences. Once tested, proceed to deploy your FlutterFlow app. Monitor the Firebase console for authentication events and user activity. This method will allow you to successfully transfer authentication from Firebase into your FlutterFlow apps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.